Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Chainlink, or Link tokens, from your Uphold account straight to your Metamask wallet. This is super useful if you're into crypto and want to manage your assets more flexibly, especially with the latest updates in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account set up and Metamask installed on your device. If you haven't already, download Metamask from the App Store or their official website and create a wallet. It's free and secure. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Chainlink token in your portfolio. Click on it to select Link. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be under a menu like Transfer or External Wallet. Enter the amount of Link you want to send. Remember, check the network. Uphold typically uses the Ethereum network for Link, so ensure your Metamask is set to Ethereum too. Step 3. Now, switch over to Metamask. Open the app, select your wallet, and copy your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers at the top. Double check it to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste that Metamask address into the withdrawal form. You'll need to confirm the details, including any fees. In 2025, transaction fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but always verify the current rates. Step 5. Hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your Link tokens there. A quick tip. Always use a secure connection and double-check addresses to prevent scams. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Uphold to Metamask in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.